The system displays an alert message on the touch panel when you should replace a toner cartridge. You can add the cartridges to the system while it is turned on. Perform the following steps to properly replace a toner cartridge. Open the front cover. Put your fingers on the right side of the toner cartridge and pull it out supported with your left hand. Note: dispose of used toner cartridges and waste toner boxes in accordance with local regulations. Hold the new toner cartridge with its seal side up. Shake it strongly with the label surface down to loosen the toner inside. Pull out the seal straight out in the direction of the arrow. Align the new toner cartridge to the guide and insert it up to the black line. Pull out the cleaner until the mark appears and return it. Repeat this 3 times for each of the 4 colors. Close the toner cover pressing both edges. In a few seconds, the system will be ready to use.